Retail Fast Track, Week 1, Lesson 3. Every business is unique, with its own goals and resources. That's why it's crucial to develop a strategy that aligns with your specific needs. Let's explore the key steps to help you determine the best business strategy for your organization. Step 1. Define your business goals. What do you want to achieve in the short term and long term? Are you aiming for rapid growth, profitability, market dominance, or sustainability? By establishing clear and specific goals, you can develop a strategy that effectively drives your business towards those objectives. Step 2. Analyze internal resources. Look at your financial capital, human resources, intellectual property, technology, and operational capabilities. By conducting a SWOT analysis, you can identify areas where you have a competitive advantage and areas that need improvement. Step 3. Conduct market research. Understand your target market, including customer needs, preferences, and behavior. Evaluate market trends, competitive landscape, and potential opportunities. By understanding the external factors influencing your industry, you can make informed decisions and identify strategies that leverage market dynamics. Step 4. Identify competitive positioning. What sets your business apart from others in the market? Consider factors such as product differentiation, pricing, quality, customer service, and brand reputation. This analysis will guide the development of a strategy that effectively highlights your competitive advantages. Step 5. Choose a strategic approach. This could be differentiation, where you focus on unique product features or exceptional customer service, or cost leadership, where you emphasize operational efficiency and cost optimization to provide competitive pricing. You could also target a niche market or aim for market expansion. Step 6. Develop action plans. Once you have chosen a strategic approach, develop action plans to implement your strategy effectively. Set milestones and timelines to track progress and ensure accountability. Regularly review and adjust your action plans to adapt to changing market conditions and emerging opportunities. And finally, Step 7. Monitor and evaluate. Continuously monitor and evaluate the performance of your strategy. Track relevant KPIs to assess progress toward your goals. Regularly analyze market trends, customer feedback, and competitive developments. This will help you make informed decisions and refine your strategy over time. Formulating a tailored business strategy requires a thorough understanding of your goals, internal resources, market dynamics, and competitive positioning. By following these steps, you can develop a strategy that maximizes your chances of success. Remember that a well-crafted and adaptable strategy is key to achieving your business goals and maintaining a competitive edge.